The Merriam-Webster Dictionary app is a highly regarded Android application that provides users with access to an extensive and authoritative English language dictionary. Known for its reliability and accuracy, this app offers a wide range of features that enhance the vocabulary and language skills of its users. This application includes not only thousands of definitions and synonyms, but also audio pronunciations, allowing users to hear the correct pronunciation of words. Additionally, it often features example sentences that illustrate how words are used in context, aiding in comprehension and retention. The Merriam-Webster app may also include interactive elements such as quizzes, word games, and a daily word feature, which helps users learn new vocabulary in a fun and engaging manner. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation, making it convenient for anyone looking to expand their language knowledge. Overall, the Merriam-Webster Dictionary app stands out as a comprehensive tool for students, professionals, and anyone interested in enhancing their understanding of the English language.